The price of Bitcoin has grown significantly since our last price report when BTC surpassed $9,000 per token. Now the cryptocurrency is setting its sights on the $10,000 target just 2 days later, as the price has been hovering around $9,850 to $9,950 over the past 6 hours. Bitcoin has already touched the $10,000 mark on a few exchanges located in Asia, and very close to that price territory on a multitude of global trading platforms. The $10,000 target. $10,000 for a single Bitcoin is so close, people can taste it. However, according to the weighted global average on exchanges like Bitstamp, DAX, Bitfinex, and others, the price is not quite there just yet. Bitcoin volume is extremely high, as the past 24 hours has seen over $5.9 billion worth of global Bitcoin trades. As usual, Japan is leading the pack, as the country's currency, the yen, is dominating by 63% at press time. Behind the yen is the US dollar, the South Korean won, the euro, and Tether. The controversial Tether currency, which is allegedly backed by USD, has increased its exposure quite a bit. Tether has been the 5th highest traded currency paired with Bitcoin for the past 2 weeks. Today's top 5 exchanges include Bithumb, Bitfinex, Hitbit, DAX, and Bitflyer. News.bitcoin.com also spoke with Charles Hayter, CEO of the cryptocurrency data and analysis website CryptoCompare, who explains $10,000 per BTC is a seminal moment for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general. Typically, Bitcoin struggles to overtake significant round numbers, as we have seen at $3,000, $5,000 and $7,500. $10,000 is likely to be the same. However, the CME futures, as well as prospects of ETFs, will no doubt continue to stimulate demand for Bitcoin, Hayter tells news.bitcoin.com. $10,000 represents the closing of the second cycle in Bitcoin, which has drawn the interest of institutional investors who have so far been constrained from trading by their remits. This is starting to change as more sophisticated and regulated instruments are made available. This will lead to Bitcoin's third cycle. Technical indicators. Looking at the daily and weekly charts show buyers are commanding markets right now and will likely continue in the short term. Right now, the gap between the two simple moving averages is quite wide, with the 100 SMA far above the long-term 200 trend line. The signals indicate the probability for the path to the upside will continue to be greater than a correction for now. However, stochastic and RSI levels have been heading south for quite some time, which shows oversold markets and bullish exhaustion may set in. Order books show some bearish sentiment could drop the price to strong foundations between the $9,400 to $9,600 zones. Further panic selling could bring the price below $9,000 if the displaced moving average breaks the key territory at $9,150. A continued bull market could bring the price above the $10,000 target this week at any hour at the current vantage point, but at the moment, buyers are struggling to exceed this region. Cryptocurrency markets in general. Overall, cryptocurrency markets are doing quite well. As we reported the other day, the entire economy now commands a $300 billion market capitalization. Today $10 billion more was added to that number, as multiple digital assets are seeing new highs and price spikes. Right now Ethereum, ETH, markets are down 0.69% at $473 per ETH. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, is down 5%, touching a 24-hour low at $1,560 per BCH. Ripple, XRP, markets are up a lot, seeing an 11% increase as 1 XRP is averaging around 28 cents. Lastly, the newcomer to the number 5 market cap position, Bitcoin Gold, BTG, is down 8% as 1 BTG is worth roughly $330. The verdict. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts are thrilled with the rallies taking place on digital asset markets worldwide. Across social media, as well as forums, proponents are sharing price ticker screenshots and pictures of their favorite crypto-centric memes. Bitcoin also traded above $10,500 last night on the two Korean exchanges Bithumb and Coinon. Most Bitcoiners believe $10,000 per BTC across all trading platforms seems inevitable, and many think it is just the beginning for this nascent currency. Bear scenario: the price could correct at any moment at Bitcoin's current price point. The bullish run was extremely fast as the currency has spiked over $1,800 in the past 3 days. Right now we could see prices land at $9,400 to $9,600, and even drop below $9,000, if people have weak hands causing a more significant sell-off. Bull scenario: right now buyers are trying very hard to break the $10,000 barrier, but have been unsuccessful so far across many exchanges. However, bulls are still charging, and by the looks of it $10,000 Bitcoins are still attainable. Using the Fibonacci retracement tool shows after breaking $10,000 markets, we could easily see $10,500 and $11,000 prices very quickly. This is unless, of course, sellers move their positions to higher selling levels in time.